Hi guys, welcome. Guess what came in the mail today? My first order from the Summerbrations catalog. I'm so excited. It's in one little box right here and we're gonna show you, we're gonna unbox it together. I did open it up just to kind of see which order this was, but other than that, I haven't really looked at it to see what's in here. So we'll go through it together. And if you guys haven't seen our Summerbrations catalog, you can always check it out on my website, or you can also click the link or type in the word lookbook down in the comments and you'll receive a link to your messenger showing you exactly where to look at it. Now the lookbook is not really a catalog, but it does give you great ideas and some samples of what these transfers are used for. So it's a good way to get ideas. So let's get started. First off, this is my birdhouse kit. This contains all the little pieces to snap together a wooden birdhouse. And then it contains a transfer, which has different designs that you can chalk on the sides, the top, make it your own. And it also looks like it contains 3 coordinating paste packets and a little mixing tray. So this is awesome. I'm so excited for this. I actually ordered some for my grandkids to do too. I think they're gonna love it. I have a couple different palette packs. This is Lake Days. A lot of our transfers this time are lake themed. So these colors are gonna come in really handy. And then this one is called Waves and Rays. So kind of a summer sunshine packet of colors. Here are some little cutouts. They're called the Chockable Chips Land of the Free. And they're going to go with some of our transfers that are patriotic themed. These are Chockable Chips. They're farmhouse cherries. And this is farmhouse cherries. I got 2 of these. Okay, so this cherries is a theme from some of our transfers. So we're going to use those to chalk on the chips. The chips are little thin pieces of wood and they're great to chalk on. They give your design some dimension. Okay, now comes the transfers. Busy and the bee. Isn't that cute? I love bees. I mean, I don't love them to bite me, but I do love to decorate with bees. So that's a cute one. Make your own waves. That's something fun to think about in the summertime. Then here comes our, I believe this is a bee size. Vacation and Homebody. When you look at this in the lookbook, it shows a bag, a canvas bag done with one of them, and a pillow that's kind of two-tone, and I think it's really awesome. They'd also be good on a sign, but the way they have them described in the lookbook is awesome. That's what I'm gonna do with them. Outdoor s'mores. Who doesn't love a s'mores in the summertime? Melty, hot, crispy, the chocolate wedged between a couple graham crackers. This is going to be an awesome one to decorate maybe caddy for s'mores. Or we also have some chockable chips, which are sold out currently, but will be restocked. That would be fun to put those on. I got 2 of those. Oh, here's another vacation and homebody one. Oh, this one, I love these little patterns because you can put those on the Chalk Suede notebooks. They would look awesome on that. You can put them on maybe a makeup bag. There's all kinds of things you can do. Just a sign as a background would be awesome. But look how cute that is. The stars, the waves, and the little fish. This one is one with our cherries. Cherry pie, cherry sundae, grandma's kitchen, sweet as pie. Little individual ones that could be good on chockable chips or some of our little chockable shapes. Girls just want to have sun. Boy, this was so true when I was a teenager. We just wanted to lay out and get tan. Not anymore. Actually, the sun is pretty hot nowadays, but in those days it didn't seem hot when I was younger. Life is sweet. A cute popsicle. This would be good on a tote bag. It'd be good on a sign. It would be good on a serving tray. All different colors. And if you look at the lookbook, it's a really colorful one in there. I love it. I love colors, so that's it. This is another little minis. So it's all beach vibe, lake themed. There's a bobber there. There's beach vibes. some little oars. It's gonna be fun on chockable chips, maybe a mini tag. This one is called Farmhouse Cherries. So this is gonna be for our little chockable chip right here. Some of these will go on those. That will be fun. Do you guys like the cherry theme for summer? I think of fruits like lemons and watermelon and limes and cherries, all kinds of fun stuff, kiwis. This one was a little folded. This one is called Chalk Made Birdhouse. Oh, these are the transfers that go on the Chalk Made Birdhouse. So these are the things that you can chalk on the wooden sides of the birdhouse itself. Do them any colors you want, they'll fit perfectly. This is one of our patriotic ones. I love doing wooden rounds with these patriotic ones. Sometimes I stain them like a red or blue, and then I chalk on them in white or gold or silver. Love those. And my last one is the chalkable stars. They fit on our chalkable star shapes, which are nice and thick and chunky. So I didn't get everything that they offer at Chalk. I wanted to kind of pace myself a little bit because I knew a second wave of the Summerbrations was coming, and that has already shipped. It went on sale yesterday, Thursday. I placed an order yesterday morning, and it has shipped, so it should be here to me pretty soon, and I'll go ahead and show you what I have then. But for now, I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of what's available. I wanted to give you the link to the Summerbrations lookbook. You can also go to my website to look at the actual ordering site, so you can see if there's something you'd like to order, and you can kind of get a feel for what the summer looks like for decorating with us. And it'll be lots of fun. We know we're always looking for things to do in the summer. Yeah, nice lazy summer, just full of creativity and ready to do fun things. Okay guys, I'll be on again later. See you later, bye. Thanks for watching.